In front of me is ALCATEL 1T10 Smart 2020, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency number. Begin by going into Devices Settings and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in Emergency and tap on Emergency Contacts. Now you can select Add Information below Medical Information and type in all of those important info about you, like address or blood type. When you finished, go back and to add a number, select Add Contact under Emergency Contacts. Now click on the one that you wish to add, in my case this one. And as you can see, after that my emergency number was successfully added. If you wish to remove it, click on this X next to it. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can always add another one and even multiple ones the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!